How to add a second eSIM on iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then in here, tap on Settings. From the Settings page, we go down and tap on Mobile or Cellular. From here, you want to go down. So scroll down and tap on Add eSIM. Next, make sure you have the QR code ready or the carrier app or activation details. And in here, we choose other options. Then you can either transfer your eSIM from another iPhone, use QR code, or transfer from another device. We're going to choose use QR code. Then in here, tap on scan QR code. Now, if you do not have the QR code, you can enter the details manually. So in here, this information can be provided from your network provider. So ask your network provider to give you this address information and activation code. If you have the QR code, it should be easy. Just simply scan it. So scan the QR code. And then the phone will go ahead and activate and add in the eSIM. Now because my eSIM is not valid, so it will not be able to activate. But if you have an a valid eSIM, it will be able to activate your eSIM on the iPhone 17. Okay, tap on finished. So here, once it's added, it will be in the list for you to turn it on, or you can switch off the SIM as needed. And that's it. It should be straightforward. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.